Hi, thank you for joining MarineMax today. I'm Larry Vogt, and today I'm going to take you through this Grady-White 180 Fisherman. This is probably the biggest, most rugged 18-foot boat that's packed with features that you'll find on the market today. This boat's got Grady's exclusive SV2 hull, which is the softest riding hull on the water today. This is also powered by a 150 Yamaha, plenty of power, most reliable engine out there, and this boat's got features from tilt steering to a leaning post with adjustable backrest that you can set up, lean against when you're driving. Plenty of room behind the helm. I'm a pretty big guy and you can see all the space. A couple things on board this boat that most boats don't have in this size. I've got a raw water washdown, and I've also got a freshwater pull-out shower on this boat as well. And one of the most exclusive features of a Grady-White is the flush port located inside the transom, so you don't have to unscrew anything on the engine. Great for people who have a boat in the lift or keep it in the water. Another great thing about the Grady-White is everything drains overboard on this boat. So there's no way for water to get into the bilge. Cup holders, rod holders, everything drains onto the deck, out the scuppers, and overboard. If you're keeping your boat outside, that's a great feature because you don't ever have to worry about the bilge pumps going on. If you'd like to know more about this awesome 180 Fisherman, give us a call at 904-545-5310. Thank you.